The term is almost over. The time for your test is almost here. Let's now focus on how you can earn the grade you want by following the 10 steps to better test taking. First, some important reminders. Math is sequential and foundational. One topic is built upon the previous one. Math tests are different, not only in format, but you must also apply what you've learned through problem-solving skills. Daily practice is important. 30 minutes for 4 days is always better than 2 hours for 1 day. And last but not least, ditch the negative attitude for a positive one for success in math. Attain a better grade by, first of all, preparing a mental cheat sheet, developing a plan prior to the test, then following the plan during the test, and lastly, review your test before you turn it in. You may question, why should I develop a plan? Well, with a plan, you can always work more efficiently. And efficiency will help boost your self-confidence. With a plan, you may also lower your test anxiety. Remember that if you struggle with anxiety, you can use such things as relaxation techniques to help reduce that anxiety. And with a plan, you are much more likely to receive a better test grade. So let's talk about how to develop and memorize your mental cheat sheet. First of all, look over your previous work for difficult concepts that you've struggled with. Write down those important ideas, vocabulary words that you may forget in moments of anxiety. There may be certain formulas that you will need. There may be difficult facts for you to remember. Or there may be steps to a particular type of problem, such as a coin problem or a distance problem. Write all these down and begin to remember them. You won't be able to take this cheat sheet into the actual test. That's why you're going to practice writing it down and memorizing it. But as soon as you get your test paper, you can do a memory dump and free up your working memory to complete the test. So let's walk through these 10 steps for test taking. First, do a memory data dump. Do this prior to anything else before you write your name or look at the test. Write down facts, formula, and other information that you think you might need during the test. This will free up your memory for other activities. Secondly, preview the test. Look for the easy problems that you can do quickly. Preview the others. Thirdly, do a memory data dump again. Once you've previewed the test, your memory may be jogged of other information that you can jot down. Again, this will free up your memory for other activities. Fourth, set a test progress schedule. Look at the point value of the problems. Think of it as a video game. How can you make the most points? And then set a time schedule. Plan to complete X number of problems by the halfway point. Fifth, begin answering the easy questions. These are ones that you can do quickly, and it will leave more time for the difficult ones. By completing these, it will help to boost your confidence. Also, think analytically. For example, you know that the perimeter or an area of a shape cannot be negative. And always show your steps to receive partial credit. Sixth, once you've completed the easy questions, move to the difficult ones. These are ones that you know how to do, but they are harder, typically worth more points as well. Next, tackle the toughest ones. These will have much more steps, but do what you can. Start the problem. Try to write the first step. Never just sit and stare at it. Write down what you know. There will be some that you may have to just guess it. Take a stab at it, no matter what. Remember, no answer, no points. If nothing else, rewrite the problem. Maybe you will have an aha moment. Then you want to review your test. Look back over all your problems. Look for careless mistakes. Did you follow directions? Did you answer the question? And generally, don't change your answer unless you are certain that it's wrong. And lastly, use all your allotted time. Remember, no prize is given for turning your test in first. And it is a proven fact that students who submit their tests later usually make the higher grade. And also, attach your scratch paper. So what are the hot points for success on your math test? Well, do the memory data dump, preview and plan, and work the plan by beginning the easy problems first and moving to the more difficult ones. Review your work, and then use all the allotted time. Learning is not attained by chance. It must be sought for with ardor and diligence. Such things as seeking help, use of effective strategies, your own personal motivation and personal traits, and a daily study time and completing assignments are all ways to achieve success. Notice that daily study time and completing assignments is perhaps the most important thing that you can do for success. Are you ready for that test? Here's the scoop. Use a mental cheat sheet, make a plan and follow it, and most importantly, believe in yourself. If you do these 3 things, you will earn the grade that you want on this math test. Good luck and go for it. Believe in yourself.